how to fix Instagram Reels own comment pin problem. So if you want to fix your Instagram Reels own comment pin problem, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And go with your profile and then select post in which you have a comment. Now, if you want to pin this comment, you need to tap and hold on to it, and you may find a pin option. But if you don't find pin, then it means that if you have commented on your post, then you won't be able to pin that comment. But if other people have commented on your post, then you'll be able to pin that. Like, for example, so under this post, as you can see, that other people have commented on my post. Now, if I tap and hold on to this comment, then I'll have a pin option. But if you don't find a pin option, it means that you have commented on your own post. And we don't have an option to pin the comment if you have commented on your own post. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.